the nurse here. I take this opportunity to welcome you to my channel. In this channel, we talk a lot about pregnancy, parenting, and baby care. So if you can connect with any of these topics, kindly hit the subscribe button. So our topic of today is 5 things that you must do in order to conceive a girl, a baby girl, or what can you do or what should you do so that you can conceive a baby girl. So watch till the end because I'm going to reveal 5 very important things that you must do if you are looking forward to conceiving a girl. And this is what I did when I really wanted a girl, and that is what I got. I have 2 kids, and my firstborn is a girl, and I used these 5 strategies, or I manipulated these 5 things so that I could get this beautiful baby girl. So the 5th thing that you must do is you must not stress about it. It's very important. Don't stress about it, because when you stress, your body reacts negatively to release hormones that will not favor your fertility, and you will end up not conceiving at all. So you must be stress free. You must detach from these stressing and these anxieties that you are surrounding yourself with, and you must just have this faith or this mindset that things are going to work out, because they will surely do when you use these 5 things, or when you do these 5 things. So number 4, after sex, we are going to discuss how you're going to do this. So after sex, you should not lie for too long on that bed. So our main thing that we want to do is that we want to like make the Y chromosome have some hard time trying to swim, because when you lie too long after the act, you're giving the Y chromosome some more time to swim, and we don't want that, because we know that the Y chromosome or the boy chromosome are lazy and they are slower. So you want to disturb them a little bit and give the girl chromosome the chance to overtake the boy and win the race. So that is it. Number 4, do not lie too long after the act. Just lie for like 3, 4, 5 minutes, not beyond that. Number 3, what you must do when you're having the sex with your partner, make sure that you tell your partner to penetrate very shallow. Don't go deep, because when you go deep, you're giving the boy chromosome the chance to win, because the boys can sometimes swim very fast, but they get tired very fast as well. So you want to penetrate very shallow, so that this boy chromosome can get tired along the way and die off, leaving the girl to win the race. So you must penetrate shallow, don't go deep, because when you go deep, you're giving the boy the chance. Number 2, very important, what you must do is that you must have sex 2 or 3 days to ovulation, or 2 or 3 days past your ovulation day. This is very important, because the X chromosome can stay alive for up to 72 hours, while the Y chromosome, which is the boy chromosome, can only stay alive for up to 48 hours. So when this egg is released after these 2 or 3 days, the Y chromosome will already be dead and the guy will win. So this is the opposite. If you want to have a boy, you will have sex on your ovulation day, but since you want a girl, you will have sex 2 or 3 days before the ovulation, or 2 or 3 days after the ovulation. When you do this, you will maximize your chances of conceiving a baby girl. The first thing, this is number 1, you must eat acidic foods. This is very important, because when your body is in the acidic state, which is not so good, like naturally the body should be alkaline. But in this case scenario, you must put your body in this acidic state, not for too long, just for this conception time. So you must consume acidic foods because acidic conditions favor the X chromosome, which is the girl. And when your vaginal conditions are acidic, the Y chromosome will die, and the X chromosome, which is the girl, will survive, and it will favor the conception, and you'll get the girl. So I will leave a link, or I'll leave, it's not a link actually, it's a list. I leave a list of all the acidic foods that you should consume during that month, and this will increase your likelihood of getting a baby girl. So remember that the sex of the boy is largely determined by the father, but if you manipulate these 5 things that I've mentioned, then you will be on your way to conceiving a girl. So that's all, and I wish you the best. And if you've liked this video, please give us a like, and comment below the video if there's something you'd like us to talk about next time.